roads. Look the other ceiba tree. In the rainy season, sometimes the water is coming down, right there.
Oh, wow. Too full. Muy lleno. Sale agua. Wow.
We'll do Mexican history next year.
Hmm? You do Mexican history next year?
No, I'm saying I should.
Yeah.
Oh, but I don't have history. Just have economics.
I still can corn beans with sticks. No, yeah. With the people. I got the people sometimes because they are very poor people. I do that.
This is a postcard.
A little bit.
For lighthouse, watchtowers, and temples because they use the square windows, square holes,